हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ मंसूर हुसैन एंड यू आर वाचिंग कंसेप्चुअल बायोलॉजी। आज के लेक्चर में हम क्लोनिंग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सो नाउ व्हाट इज़ क्लोनिंग? So cloning is the process of creating genetically identical copies of biological matter. This may include genes, cells, tissues or entire organisms. This figure shows a cell. What are the natural clones? Some organisms generate clones naturally through asexual reproduction. Plants, algae, and fungi and protozoa produce spores. They develop into new organisms that are genetically identical to the parent organisms, as you are seeing in this figure. In humans and other mammals, the formation of identical twins is an example of natural cloning. This figure shows the identical twins, which are example of natural cloning. Now we have types of the cloning. Number 1, molecular cloning. It focuses on making identical copies of DNA molecules in chromosomes. This type of cloning is also known as gene cloning, as shown in this figure. Number 2 is organismal cloning. It involves making of an identical copy of an entire organism. This type of cloning also known as a reproductive cloning, where a whole organism is cloned from the zygote, as you are seeing in this figure. And the last one is therapeutic cloning. It involves the cloning of human embryos for the production of stem cells. These cells could be used to treat the diseases. The embryos are eventually destroyed in this process. And the figure is given as. So now what is an importance of cloning? क्लोनिंग की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, तो वो हम समझ लेते हैं, सीख लेते हैं. A major goal of this technique is used for the treating diseases. Through this technology, production of medically significant substances such as insulin, growth hormones, interferon, and antithrombin hormones have been achieved. So this figure shows insulin, growth hormones. Now that's it. For more videos, stay connected. Do subscribe my channel.